Like, share, and subscribe. I stumbled on a way to see the blinking, and I asked the Lord to help me see clearly and understand the blinking, and He did. Be patient, don't panic. Trust the Lord. He loves us. I don't know why, but He does. Well, we're going to try some live trading here in Tesla today. And if you can see my mouse moving back and forth on the screen, you know that Grandpa's alive. That's how it works. And the first thing I'm going to say is Grandpa's going to watch this thing for a while before I do anything. This thing is, I think, is going to be really volatile today with what's going on in Israel, and I urge you to be cautious. We gapped down substantially this morning, and I expect more of the same before it's over. We will see. I expect the fake outs today. Fake out would be they drive us up considerably and pull us back down. I just don't know. Currently, there's a little bit of shorting at 260. I'm going to get a hold of my son. Let's see. Right now, it is 9:24 a.m. I want to try to figure out how far I'm lagging behind. So I'm going to call him and see if he can get a handle on how far behind what I'm saying he is. Hopefully he'll answer and we'll get this thing going. Like I say, I plan on giving buy signals and sell signals based on my blinking and based on my candles. But I'm in no rush to do anything yet. So hopefully, hey, Ed, you're on live stream. Say good morning, son. Hey, listen. Can you get a handle on? I'm live streaming. Can you get a handle on how much lag time there is? Somewhat. What's Grandpa need to do to get it so you can tell? Right now we got 9:25 a.m. and it's the candle is just before the open, of course.
256.12 is the price at 8:25. What do you got?
Well, you're Central Time, right? So that's 9:25 here.
Right, yeah.
Oh, hey, that's a good idea. 256 is pretty close to the price. What price do you got now? 255.85, 255.80 currently, and it's 926.
Even is the ask.
Are you watching my candle chart?
No,
You'd have to be on my you got to be on my live stream.
right. I'm not set up there yet.
Okay. Well,
Okay, hold on 1 second.
okay. I'll talk about let me know when you're ready. I'll talk about activated. What about activated? Grandpa's new word is activated. The market makers provide the liquidity needed for the markets to function properly. And what goes on there is, in order to do that, they buy and sell away from the price point. Upwards of $50, $60, $70 from the price point is fairly common. Like the other day, they were buying at 200 when the price was in the 150s, they were shorting up at 319, selling when the price was down in the 250 area. So, but in order for them to, they have to go to a place of substance, like the 280, for instance. And once they go there, then their shares are activated, and they own them prior to this. Don't get me wrong on that. When it's a place of substance, they own it, but they're not activated until the price point actually goes there. When retail buys, like me and you, we're activated immediately at the price point. But the market makers have multiple exchanges that allows them to buy far from the price point, and that's how it works. So they can buy on the bottom side or the top side, buy or sell, and it's activated when they reach that point. Then they own them long positions or those short positions. Currently, they've got a ton of long positions, and I think they're going to get more. I think they've been building up ever since 263 the other day, last week, and all the way down to 234.58. They've been buying more than they've been selling. But that doesn't mean that they can't go down to 230 and fill in our place of substance, 225. Looks like they're going to probably fill in some 200s today, 205 area. Isn't blinking, but I think it will here possibly shortly. At 9:45, the blinking will stabilize some, and we should see, well, the market just opened, so we're at 9:30, and the current price is in Tesla. Let Grandpa find the current price. Well, the current price is 255.85, and it's 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. 255.70. She looks like she's gonna come down. 255.65. We don't have even a clean sell signal at this point in the 5-minute chart. And I'm not all that excited about it yet. I want to wait and see what goes on with this thing here a little bit. We got too much going on with. Hey, I know what I can talk about a little bit here. We don't even have a Speaker of the House currently. Trump endorsed Jordan the other day in writing. And Jordan and Scalise are both trying to get to be Speaker, and either one of them I think would do fine. So I lost my son. I don't know what happened there. He's trying to get on to my deal so he can tell me if how far back he's lagging or not lagging. If you're listening to this, get as close up behind me as you can, because if I give you a buy signal, you want to be within minutes of me. Currently, the time here is 9:32 a.m. and the price is 256.45 and 256.10. Boy, that's jumping around. Fun to see. I'm moving my mouse so you know Grandpa's alive. Grandpa's alive. See there? And what do we got going in blinking? Nothing dramatic yet in blinking. That's out of range that Grandpa's seen. Okay, I got him back here. Okay, Ed.
Okay, I could get an exact handle on it, but it's 5 to 10 seconds. It isn't very long, the
Oh.
delay.
Okay, so you think you're like right now it's 9:33. We got a price of
I can't have them on at the same time. I mean, I can, but I hear your live stream, everything you're saying.
oh, okay.
And I also hear what you're saying through my headset live on the phone, right? So
Well, what?
it was a little bit confusing to figure out which one was which.
So
Which grandpa was the real grandpa?
which grandpa is the real grandpa? That's the question. So we're dropping like a rock right now. It's 253.85, and it's 9:33 still.
Okay, where should I put my buy-in at?
Don't
Not financial advice, but
not financial advice. Don't put a buy-in at all. Just relax here. We Grandpa's concerned about the Israel thing going on.
oh, that's a big deal. All right, well, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna get this truck fixed, so that's my big deal. Good luck.
Hey, are you empty or what?
Yeah, I'm empty. I'm back in Minnesota.
Okay, love you, Ed. Be careful
Love you
out
too.
there. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, so he said you're lagging by probably 10, 15 seconds behind on my live stream. So that's good news. So we can do this, and I will give buy signals right now. We're going down just for a little bit here. Who knows how far, but Grandpa ain't doing anything fast. We're gonna relax and talk. Grandpa will just talk about something. What should Grandpa talk about? Well, let's talk about blinking. I'm checking my blinking right now. Okay, yeah, we got some blinking going on. Oh wow, we got, what was it? 269 times 6 shorting. They're gonna try turn this thing up. Grandpa's got to write this down now. 269 shorting times 6. And that's in the regular market. So 269 times 6 shorting, it's going. It's not super fast, probably 10 times a minute. That's 600 shares shorting per minute at 269. 600 shares per minute, and it's doing it about 10 times a minute currently. They're trying to slow it down from dropping off the cliff here. On the buy side, or on the sell, on the buy side, Grandpa's not seeing anything that's far enough out to be of great interest to us currently. I'm going to adjust my downside charts. That 269 short is still blinking. They're also blinking times 1 now, shorting at 266.60 times 1. I got to write that down too. 266. There's a method to Grandpa's madness, by the way. After a while, Grandpa knows where they have substance, and once Grandpa knows where they have substance, they got these market makers. They like to tell Grandpa what they're doing. Well, they like Grandpa. You can't blame them. I even like Grandpa. Well, I am Grandpa. I got 4 of the little ones here. 248 times 2 is buying. Oh, 248 times 3 is buying. That's pulling us down. I think you're going to see 248 here pretty soon. just Grandpa's opinion. 248 times 3 is blinking. Well, it was blinking quite quickly, and now it's back. 248 times 3 is blinking. I'm just guessing it's blinking about 10 times a minute. That's 300 shares of Tesla per blink, and it's doing it about 10 times a minute. That's not a huge deal. I'm not seeing that 269 times 6. I think they paused it. I'm not seeing anything on the sell side in right now. Yeah, it's back. 269 times 6 is back. They're trying to slow down the fall. When they short up there, it slows it up. We got a bunch of numbers up in the 300 range, but as of yet, I haven't seen one of them blink. And if they don't blink, it don't mean beans. Not that beans aren't good. Grandpa likes beans. Bobo just fell. Grandma needs to get a handle on them poor little ones. He's crying. Grandma's going to get him. Yeah, 266.60 times 1 is shorting still. 269 is completely paused the way it looks. And on my candles, let me move it around. Okay, see my mouse moving around? That means Grandpa's alive and knows what's going on. Tesla's going down currently. You would have never guessed. 254.80 is the current price in Tesla. And they've driven us down to 253.50 so far. Currently, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, and I have another one up that you can't see. I'm on the 15-minute with that one just for the fun of it. We could, for the fun of it, we could look at the 1-minute chart. The 1-minute chart shows a reversal. Good luck with that. I'm not giving no buy signals on this. Yet we currently we don't even have a clean sell signal. I'm telling you straight out, this is not a good sell signal. Let's look at the 15 and see if we got a clean sell signal. Well, we have one in the 15-minute, but it started pre-market. And in the 30-minute, we actually have a sell signal in the 30-minute too. In Tesla, hourly in Tesla, we're looking at, well, we have a sell signal in the hourly too. 4 hour in the Japanese, pretty beautiful Japanese candles, 4 hour. It's early with this, but we are in a sell signal in the 4 hour. The dailies are just starting. We're not going to know for sure if this candle here is going to be red until probably 1 o'clock today, Eastern time. So, the daily is good for direction. Currently, we're in a buy signal with huge indecision and a red candle. If this candle is red at 1 o'clock today, we're in a sell signal. Just saying. It's too early with the daily and the weekly. Weekly's moving sideways. We're under a sell signal in the weekly, but it's too early with the daily and the weekly. Okay, so Grandpa's talking. We got our House of Representatives are. We don't have a speaker. We'll talk about this while Grandpa's watching his 5-minute chart. I'll move this around. So they can't appropriate any money to help Israel. They claim they have enough money to last, but they're going to vote on Wednesday for the speaker. But if they don't vote somebody in so that we have a speaker, they can't do nothing except look at us. Our government, whether it be the Republicans or the Democrats, are just a real joy to watch how they function. It's just sad. Makes Grandpa sad just to think about our politicians and how much they help us. It's Grandpa's opinion, What am I not telling you that I might know? So Ford is still strike or on. The union's on strike with the automakers. You know that. Our government has sent the aircraft strike force group and aircraft carrier Ford over to the Israel area, Mediterranean, to show support for Israel, and going to be a lot of political hype going on. Currently in Tesla, we're at 255.35. We got a green candle, and technically it's a buy signal. We have a buy signal right here. Is Grandpa going to buy right now? I don't think so. I'm going to wait. Not that that's the right thing to do. It's just what Grandpa's going to do. I'm not comfortable here today with what's going on. But yeah, that is absolutely a buy signal. Now, if you buy on this 5-minute chart that you're seeing right here, see this candle right here is engulfed into the previous one, and this is a green candle. And how long has it been going? It's been going 5 minutes. We got a buy signal. But Hull is still saying sell. It could be just a bull flag, okay? That's what Grandpa's worried about. I do not trust these guys today. I don't trust them ever. Let's see. Grandpa was going to do something on the other chart. What was Grandpa going to do? Don't worry, Grandpa knows stuff. Yeah, my son's got his radiator and his semi is leaking, and he's got to get in a shop and get that taken care of shortly. She's coming. She's weak. That candle is weak. This 5-minute candle is... Well, we're only 1 minute into that candle. Grandpa was wrong. This candle may not even be green yet. Be real careful. We really don't even have a buy signal yet. Sorry about that. I got to watch my clock. See, should wait about 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes to really be safe into this 5-minute candle to know if it's going to be green or not. So currently, we don't even know that this green candle in the 5-minute chart is green. We're still showing a strong sell signal in the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 15 here. 15-minute sell signal. 30-minute sell signal. Hourly, we're not going to get we're in a sell signal in the hourly. If this candle is red, we're off to the races. Don't. We'll go back. This green, if this thing is green, it very likely could just be a small bull flag. I don't trust them. 254.65 is the current price in Tesla. Sounds like if you're watching me, you're probably only lagging behind me by about 10 seconds. 10, 15 seconds at the very most. It's the way it sounds, so that's not bad. So my buy signals will be plenty quick. I'm going to watch my blinking here a little bit. We don't want them to get anything past Grandpa. Okay, so how far into this candle are we now? We're 3 minutes into the candle. 3.5. This candle's going to be green. We have a green candle. In the 5-minute chart, we have a buy signal. Now we have a buy signal in that 5-minute chart. So if you want to get in the 254.90 range, see where it runs, it is absolutely a buy signal. She's jumping up to beat the band. 256. She's going straight up in a quick hurry. We have a buy signal in the 5-minute chart. And Grandpa is just being patient and not doing anything dramatic. I want to see what they're doing. I do not want to get stuck up here. Absolutely don't. That's the way it is. Now, you want to run with that buy signal, it's a true buy signal. There's no doubt about it, and I don't see anything in the candles. And you're good, because we know we're going to go to... We have a minor place of substance currently at the 269, 270 range. And it's possible they run this bus up there. Because everybody's expecting the market to plummet with this war thing going on. Be just like the market makers to run her up to 269, 270 and clean out all those shorts, all the puts and everything people are doing. And, I'm going to sit on the sidelines personally for a little bit here and have some patience. But that doesn't mean... And opportunities come all the time, daily. I guess I could buy a couple of shares and show you how to lose money. I don't want to do that. Grandpa likes to make money. I like to do well. I do well, with stocks at least. Now, I will say that I did options this last week for the first time. And in the 8.5, 9 months that I've done blinking, in stocks, in shares, I've never lost ever. 269 times 6 is shorting again. That's pulling us straight up. 269, and that's our number. We're place of substance. It's minor substance, but it's turning into medium substance in a quick hurry. That's a place to sell shares. I think, I don't know, Grandpa's, I think I'll put in a buy it and see if I can snag it just for the fun of it. There, we stuck one in at $255.50 for a couple shares. Just I think this thing might, with that shorting up at 269 times 6 is really blinking now. It's blinking 20 times a minute, 600 shares per blink, and that thing is pulling us up in a hurry. Where did it go? Oh, yep, they filled my little position. You heard it. Grandpa is in at 2 something. 265.50, I believe. Okay, they moved my charts. Oh man, I get so tired of these guys. You you'd think they'd leave Grandpa alone. Yep, we're still functioning at the 269. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm adjusting my charts. They moved them. They're real good at that. Grandpa don't like it when they move Grandpa's charts. But, Grandpa tries not to complain. Oh, I do? Oh, I do. I'm getting organized. I like to have my charts looking pretty. Okay, so there's must be 945, 954 already. They've stabilized this thing. We are shorting to beat the band at 269. She's trying to pull it towards it. Will it make it there? Let's see, where are we at? I really doubt it. I'd say if you can get up in the 260 range, you might want to take profits if you're in this thing. I'm trying to scalp here with my 2 little shares. I'm not trying to do anything dramatic, and that's a fact. Okay, I'm getting my charts all organized. Yeah, that 6 is blinking just phenomenally well. Shorting at 269 times 6, and it's been doing it about 20 times a minute. 600 shares per blink, 269. On the buy side, we got nothing rocking and rolling. If that 269 pauses, Grandpa will be selling his shares as quickly as possible because I don't want to get stuck. Grandpa don't like getting stuck. There's always another opportunity. I'm in the green a whole whopping 40 cents. Boy, Grandpa's making money. So we're live trading here. If you want to live trade with Grandpa, Grandpa says buy signals and he'll say sell signals in Tesla. Based on my blinking and based on my pretty Japanese candles, even though they're lagging indicators, Grandpa likes them because they're very pretty. And Grandpa's done very well with candles. The one thing about candles I'll tell you, if you start doing, you can set your own charts up on these Japanese candles, but if you get into a sideways market, you get so many changes, reversals, back and forth, up and down. They'll kill you in a sideways market. So I'm just saying that's where it's at. Currently, Grandpa's up 87 cents. Well, I was. So, Grandpa got in with 2 shares at 255.50, and the price is 256. I only got 2 shares, but 2 shares is 2 shares, and uh, a lot of times you could do 100 shares, and if you pick up uh, $5, you got some real money. You got $500. That's Grandpa's done that many days. But I want to watch this thing. Okay, I'm seeing something here in the blinking. 266.60 times 1 is still blinking, and the 269, that's 2 of them. This thing is running up, guys. She's going up. If you want to make a few dollars, I think 269 might be in our future. I know it's in our future because it's currently a place of minor substance. A place of substance is somewhere where the market makers have bought or sold in substance. And that means that they are going to go there. They absolutely will go to a place of substance sooner or later because they have to go there in order to activate their shares. Now, once they get up to 269, where they're playing this game right now, and they bought there all day the other day, several days actually now, they're gonna, at that point in time, that 269 shorts they're doing are going to be activated, and they're going to want to make money on them. Doesn't mean they'll stop there. They might run up to 280 and take out where we really have substance. They're going to want a lot of them, and once they get up there, if they do go there, they're going to unload their buys that they've been doing, and then they'll switch over to shorts, and then they'll load up on shorts, and then they'll pull the plug and bring us down. I just don't know if they're done loading up with long positions. They've been loading up with long positions since we went from 263 to 254.58, or not 234. 234.58. They've been loading up predominantly long positions, and now it's starting to look like they're going to load up on shorts. 261 times 8 is shorting. Is that within the range? That's out of the range. That's a big number. 261. You're going to see 261. Grandpa thinks here, not too long. 261 times 8 was blinking. It's still blinking. We're currently blinking probably 10 times per minute. That's maybe even 15 times per minute. 10, 15 times per minute. There are 800 shares per blink. And 269 is blinking with it, but 260, what number is it actually doing it at? Yeah, it's 261, I think. Let me see if I can find it exact. Yep, 261 times 8. Wow. And 269 times 6. So, 261, you know what I think Grandpa's going to do based on what he's seeing. And Grandpa likes to be cautious. So I think we're getting a bear flag here. 261 is paused currently. They're going to do the big nasty here. 269 times 6. How far into this candle are we? Currently, it looks like an indecision candle here. She's pulling us down. Let me see. 10:03. We got 2 minutes left. One more minute, we'll know the color. It looks like it's going to be red. Could be a small bear flag here, based on what Grandpa's seeing in the blinking. 269 is just blinking like crazy. That is a buy signal. Okay, what was Grandpa going to do? Oh, I'm going to put in a sell signal. I'm going to put in a sell. I have to run it on my other computer. And I'm going to put it in at, well, I'm going to put it in at 260.50 and take my $5. Normally, I'd just pre-run that 261 by a nickel or so, but Grandpa's nervous with this market. If we get 260.50, Grandpa's going to take his 2 shares and get out. See, I have it right up there at 260.50. Grandpa put in a sell signal. What is that? A sell? No, that's a sell order. Oh, Grandpa's crazy. And now I'm in the red. Grandpa's down $1.30. Should Grandpa buy more? No, Grandpa's gonna relax today. I'm in no rush to get on this bus any more than I am. They paused the 261 currently. I don't like that. It was blinking times 8. 269 is still blinking times 6. That's 600 shares per blink. This is interesting. I'm not seeing anything major on the buy side down below. If we start seeing buying down below, this thing will plummet like a rock. And I ain't kidding. It will plummet if they start buying. 269 is still blinking. That's a good sign for going up. Sounds like Bobo got in trouble somehow with Grandma. I don't know what they're doing in there, but it don't sound good. Grandpa should sing a song. 269 still shorting times 6. No buying yet, as the Grandpa can see. If they start buying down below, we will go down. Well, we're going down right now. Currently, we got. Grandpa's thinking this might be a bear flag here, but I do not know for sure. I have no indication other than. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is all sell. Grandpa went long. 30-minute, we're moving sideways, straight sideways, and no clear indication. Hourly, we're under a sell signal in the hourly. Yeah, but the blinking is 269. Oh, we got some more blinking coming here. We're going to go back up here shortly. Let me get back to that 5-minute chart. Where are we blinking? I seen it. Times 2. 265 area. Shorting. That will pull us up in a big way. I seen about 3-4 blinks and then they went out on me. 269 still shorting times 6. if they start blinking either the 261 or that 265 again, that 265 was a good sign for going up. And Grandpa's just not seeing any buying on the bottom side. As long as we don't see buying out of range on the bottom, there's a good chance this thing is going to turn and go up. I'm trying to look at my secret weapon here for finding blinking. Grandpa's got a secret weapon for finding blinking. Don't you worry about that. Okay, 265 times 2 is blinking. 265 times 2, Grandpa's got to write that down. Grandpa takes notes. Grandpa goes back and looks at this stuff day and night. 265 times 2, I think we're going to turn and go up here shortly. Because unless they pause, that 269 paused. Oh, wait a second. They moved my charts again. Oh, I'll be right back over there on my chart for you, but they gotta quit moving me around. They moved me dollars. Yeah, 269 is paused. I don't like that. Grandpa don't like that when they do that. Now I gotta adjust all my. I'm adjusting my blinking so I can get a clear indication where it is. Oh man, Grandpa's got a miss. I gotta go the right direction. Okay, we are making red candles. Grandpa's down $1. Grandpa's down $1. Should Grandpa buy more? No. Grandpa should relax. Grandpa's relaxed. Don't you worry. We're going to 269, 275, and 280 anyway. We have substance very strong substance up there at 280. Okay, 266 times 3 is blinking. 266 times 3 is their new number they're using, shorting. 266 times 3. And of course it paused already, but it blinked 4 or 5 times real quick. Yeah, I'll move my mouse so you know I'm alive. Look here, Grandpa's moving his mouse. That means he's alive. And Grandpa got in on this candle, albeit I got in way up here, but that's the way it goes. It's a tough game. Is this going to be a bear flag and we reverse up? That's kind of what Grandpa thought, but Grandpa could be wrong. Don't kid yourself. Grandpa can be wrong. Grandpa going to lose money? No, Grandpa will keep these shares if I have to till it hits 269 if one day. Don't worry about Grandpa. Grandpa knows stuff. 260.50 is where I'm planning to get out with a $5 profit. And I hope that Grandpa gets the $5 profit because Grandma needs to spend more of Grandpa's money. Okay, where are we on? I've lost. The price is going down so far, Grandpa can hardly keep track of it. Where is it? 254.10. 254.15. 254.10. Tesla. Oh boy, is this exciting or what? The play-by-play in Tesla is always exciting. What time is it? 10:12. No, Grandpa's plan is to stay on here unless something crazy starts happening till about 11:30, and then take a break till around 1:30, and come back in around 1 o'clock or so. I plan on coming back and doing buy signals and sell signals. And if this goes well, I'm hoping to do it every day until you get used to Grandpa. And, write down if Grandpa says buy signal or sell signal, write it down. If you don't want to trade yet and you want to see how would I have done, so you know. And is Grandpa leading you down the right rabbit hole or that sort of thing, Okay. 269 has paused entirely the way it looks. 269 times 6 shorting is paused, and we are going down as a result. 261 also paused. Everything is paused on the shorting side currently. The 265. Let Grandpa look at something here. We got some buying going on that Grandpa might have missed down below. Not much. I think they were doing some in that in pre-market they were at 244 buying. That's how they pulled us down at 4 a.m. this morning, $6.50 in Tesla. They bought down at 244 pre-market and pulled us straight down. And that was the number they used. And but currently they are pretty. Oh, they did it again. They're doing it sporadically. That's what's dragging us down again. They're down in that 244, 243.39. They're blinking times 1. That's what's pulling us down currently. 243.39. They're buying just enough to pull us down the hill. 261 was also blinking again, briefly in and out. So, yep, 243.39 is the number that's pulling us down as we speak. If they pause that, it will. It's not doing it much. It's pretty slow. They're just we're heading sideways here. She's gonna snap like a rubber band when she goes. We'll find out what's happening. That's just the way it is. So, you know what I think Grandpa will do? I have I'm trying to figure out the price. $254.90. Grandpa's down $1.30. Grandpa did it. So, you might get to watch Grandpa go down, down, down today. Possible. Possible that you won't. Possible that Grandpa will get his $5. You'll say, oh, Grandpa did it right. How did Grandpa do it right when he did it right? So, we currently have 266 something blinking times 3 again. And of course, we're getting a green candle, possibly, and indecision so far. It paused again. They're just having fun today, guys. Don't worry, they'll stabilize and they'll give Grandpa signals. And when Grandpa gets them, he'll understand them and see clearly exactly what they're going to do. Yep, 266. What number was that? Where is it? 266. They blink it 3, 4, 5 times, and then they quit for 15 seconds. That really messes Grandpa's head up. It's bad enough Grandpa's head is already messed up, and then they do that stuff. Why couldn't they just do easy numbers for Grandpa instead of these complicated ones? Yeah, we're getting a green indecision candle here in the 5-minute. We're moving sideways, guys. Just relax. Enjoy the ride. If you're along with Grandpa, Grandpa's going to sell at 260.50, and I might move that thing. I'm not too excited with this war going on, what Grandpa should do. That's for sure. So I think what I'm going to do is, hey, we're getting green candles. Look at these green candles. What are they doing? Why are we getting green candles? 265 times 2 is why. They're blinking 265 times 2. 200 shares per blink. That would explain green candle time. And it looks like they paused at 243.39. They paused that number, and when they pause the buying on the bottom side out of range, it goes up, 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 and away. Oh, that's what it does. Oh, wait a second. I gotta go over and adjust one of my screens here. Grandpa's all out of sync. It's no wonder I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm making sure I got my ducks in a row with my. I got 8 screens that I monitor for blinking. Well, actually, I have 9 blinking ones. And then I got a couple of charts, candle charts, beautiful Japanese candles. They're so pretty. Hey, let's go through the 15-minute here. 15-minute, we have a sell signal. Wow, imagine that. We actually got the sell signal way pre-market right here in the 15-minute. Big candle, smaller green one goes into it, and then we went to red, and away we go, downhill. Why is Grandpa going long? Well, I don't know why. You tell me. Probably because he's crazy. And he sees blinking. Okay, 30 minutes. It's not a. It's a cell signal. It's not clean. I don't like it. Hourly. We have a cell signal in the hourly. Okay. The 4-hour is a cell signal. It's dirty. It's not clean. Grandpa don't like it. So I'm going to go back to the 5-minute. The 5 minutes of reversal. We have a bisignal currently. See here, this is what Grandpa was talking about. Okay, here you in the 5-minute, you have a bisignal. This is not a cell signal. This is dirty. This is not a cell signal. I'm telling you right now. It went down. That is a bear flag. That's called a bear flag. I think Grandpa mentioned that we might get a bear flag. But I didn't know for sure, believe me. And who knows? We're moving sideways anyway. But we do have, this is a buy signal right here. It would be better if this green indecision was red going into the red one. But it is technically a buy signal. It's just not a super strong buy signal. If this one was red and then the green candle, it's stronger. Grandpa likes stronger if he can get it. Here, I'll show you the strong one. Here's the strong reversal right here. Red, don't worry about the wicks. The body of the candle is engulfed into the previous one, and then you have the green candle. This buy signal is still in effect, technically, because this is not a sell signal. That is a bear flag. And that's just the way it is. But you switch over to the 15-minute chart, and we're still showing sell signals. However, I think that might change here shortly. Because they know Grandpa's watching them. Grandpa's watching whether they should do something or not. Where are they? Stop blinking. It's a quiet day for blinking. Man, I got a mess going in this. I got to move over here and adjust this chart. They moved my blinking stuff 3 times today. Grandpa don't like that. I got it pretty good. So we'll watch that blinking. You see my mouse moving back and forth? You know what that means? That means that Grandpa's alive. And see this green candle? Let's see, how far are we into that green candle? Ooh, wow, this is exciting. We're 1 minute into that green candle. This candle is 1 minute old. So we don't even know that this candle is going to be green until the 3.5, 4 minute mark. About 3 minutes, you're pretty sure, in a 5-minute chart. If you were in a 2-minute chart, say you were trading Grandpa's candles with a 2-minute chart, you want to be 1.5 minutes into that candle before you know its actual true color. And say the 30-minute chart, you want to be 20 minutes into it. Hey, let's talk about activated. Grandpa's got a new word. What is it? What is Grandpa's new word? Does anybody know? Oh, activating. Activated. So Grandpa's going to tell the story again because I want you to clearly understand this. The market makers provide the liquidity to make the markets function properly and so that we have the opportunity to trade stocks. Without the liquidity so that we run smoothly, we wouldn't even have markets to trade. So the market makers do an important service for us. And the market makers have multiple exchanges that are allowed to buy and sell far from the actual price point. We as retailers, we buy at the price point and we sell at the price point. But the market makers have the ability, and they do it all day, every day, where they buy and sell far from the price point sometimes, quite often, all the time. So, example would be 269, for instance, where we have a minor place of substance currently, and it's getting stronger by the day here. As they keep going until they're committing to those short positions at 269 when they do them, and they did them for a long time this morning times 600 shares per blink. That's a lot of shares. And they're putting their positions there, and they own them, but they're not activated until the price goes there. 266 times 3 is blinking times 3. Right now, 266 times 3. It's sporadic, but it's doing it periodically, maybe 5 times a minute at most. Okay, so back to my story. 269, okay, for instance, shorting, right now they're doing it times 1 a little bit. Okay, once the price has to go there to activate them. Once they're activated, then they want to make money with their short positions. Doesn't mean they're going to just fall out of the sky. I expect it might do a little dip there, but I think that they'll take out 270. 269, 270 is a minor place of substance now, and then 275. And once they make the switch over from doing long positions, they're going to want a ton of shorts and activated shorts. They already got them up there in the tens of billions at 280 alone. 279, 278, 277, 275, and now they're building up short positions in the 269, 270 area. And obviously we're going to get the 269, 270 first. But once they activate them, then they can make money on them. Until then, they just hold them out there in space. They bought them. They have to go there in order to activate. That's why they're going to go down to 225. They bought at 225 for 4 days. They on August 18th, they bought a half a day down at 209.80. It would not surprise Grandpa. And that same day on August 18th, they bought for 4 hours at 205. And the other day they bought for a half a day at 200. Buying long at 200. So that's the buy side. That's where you want to buy. You want to buy in the last place of substance that they wiped out was our 239. They went to 234.58, and they come right back up. That was a place of substance that you would want to buy at. They also cleaned out a place of substance at 260 on the way through. I I thought we'd get more of a bounce when they hit that 260, but and they bounced off of it up in the 265 range some, but you got to be quick to get out of that bus. And the market makers are really, really, really good at what they do. 10:33. I got 1 hour more to talk. Grandpa's talking. Hey, did you notice that we have we're moving sideways? That's what we're doing. We got an indecision candle in the 5 minute, and then we got this thing is gonna snap like a rubber band. You see this here? We're moving sideways. See when my grandpa's mouse is moving, that means he's alive. But it also means that we're moving sideways. And this is not a clean buy signal. This is a buy signal. We're technically, do we even have a sell signal? Technically, this could be called a sell signal if this candle, and that candle will be red. So this is technically a sell signal in the 5 minute currently. You got the big candle, next candle next to it. And earlier I mentioned when you're moving sideways, you get signal after signal, nothing clean. And so it's a question of which way she's going to break. Which way will it break? Grandpa doesn't know. I do not know. All I know is currently I'm down $1.20. Grandpa's losing money. Oh my, don't tell Grandma. Grandma would never even believe it. Grandpa's down $1.90. Look at this red candle coming. Grandpa's going down. I'm down $2. If I get a buy signal down here ways, Grandpa will buy more shares. Don't you worry about that. But I'm going to be more than patient. More than patient. Grandpa's not worried because I know we're going to see 269, 270, 275, and so on. I just don't want to wait forever to get there. Grandpa's got to get more patience. If you have patience, you do better. Grandpa should have more patience like Grandma. She ain't doing nothing. She's got some bicycle. Where'd Grandpa put her? I think I put her at 225 and 230 to buy some when it gets there. And that Grandma, she just knows. She always makes more money than Grandpa. Grandma really does well. For a gal that doesn't even put her own trades in and can't run her own thing, she really knows how to buy and sell stocks. She's so patient. I'm gonna take it. Oh, we got we have a sell signal in the 5 minute chart. Grandpa's got to change this YouTube channel thing I got on for the kids. It's driving them crazy. You don't want Grandpa to go crazy, do you? I hope not. I can hear them kids in the background. I don't know what they're doing. Grandma's watching them. Okay, so. Oh, there, Grandpa's got his song on. That's what's wrong. Grandpa needed music. Okay, I'm going to They should do some blinking. I'll tell you when we're going to find out when this bus is going to take off. We're moving sideways, guys. But, excuse me. We're moving sideways and down at the same time. 253.95. She is sinking. Yeah, well, we got a sell signal. What do you expect? Why did Grandpa buy 2 shares long? He must have been crazy. I don't know. I'm looking at blinking here. See what they're doing to Grandpa. What are they going to do? Will we see something happen here shortly? I don't know. Yep, 265 is shorting. I'm trying to get a handle on how much. 265. Where is it? Oh, man. How do they manage this? I gotta get this thing over there on it. Yeah, we're shorting at 265 times 1 again. They're trying to slow down the descent because she's descending. It's going down. 254. If I get a green candle here, I might buy a couple more shares and bring my average better. We might make some money today yet. You know what I'm going to do? I wonder if I can turn this into a 2-minute candle easily. Yes, I can. I like a 2-minute candle much better than a 1 minute if I want to get in close on what's happening. So here we have a 2-minute candle. And that will give you indication if it's going to turn much quicker. Now, I got some blinking at 265 now that I finally got it on my... It paused again, but 269 blinked a little bit again. I'm not seeing any buying down below, down there. If we get a green candle a minute and a half into it right here, see this has got potential in the 2-minute chart, which is a small time frame, okay? But if this one ends up going into that one, which we're 1 minute into this candle, if this one stays engulfed and the next candle is green at the 1.5-minute mark, Grandpa's going to buy 2 more shares. That's what Grandpa's going to do. Then I'll have a much better average as I go up, and I'll make more money when it goes up to 280. When it goes to 280, Grandpa's going to be really happy. Why? Because... Well, I'm going to sell some at 277 because Grandpa likes 7s. That is the fact. Okay, so now we're going down. This thing is still sinking. We started the new candle, 1042, 2-minute candle. And she's as red can be. She's still coming down. in the 2-minute chart. Grandpa's looking for a place to pick up a few shares when it does the reversal. When it does the reversal, Grandpa's going to grab just 2 shares. No big deal. We have a sell signal in the 5-minute. We have a sell signal in the 15-minute. Yes, the 30-minute is a sell signal. What is going on here? Grandpa thinks they're going to play games today and do the unexpected. And on a day like today, the unexpected would be up because everything looks gloomy. Gloomy. The hourly is a sell signal. Let's see. What did I do with that 2-minute candle? There it is. Okay, so we're watching this 2-minute candle to see if we get a reversal. Now, it could only be just bull flag if we get a reversal. You know, that's you don't know. You just don't know. Oh, we got a green candle. This is not engulfed into that one. This is not a clean signal. It's a buy signal because this one is engulfed into both of them. So Grandpa will grab 2 shares, hopefully. I think I'll try for 254.10. I think it'll reverse a little bit. So if I get it, I get it. So Grandpa's going to try for 254.10. And that will lower Grandpa's average down some beat. He bought at 255.50. So we have a reversal signal in the 2-minute chart. I can guarantee you the 5-minute's still a sell signal. But it's starting to look like we might get a reversal there. But it is 5 minutes still a sell signal. We'll go back to the 2-minute. And what is going on that's pulling us up? I'm looking for blinking. Grandpa's looking for blinking. And where are they blinking? Where are they blinking? That is the question. They are blinking at right at 268 times 1. That's what's pulling us up. Oh, what did Grandpa do with his ink pen? 268 times 1. That's a new number. Okay. 268 times 1 is shorting. So that's giving us our green candles. Oh, Grandpa didn't fill. Oh, man. Oh, that's terrible. I'm such an airhead. Thing takes off without Grandpa. I'm going to get this. I'm going to buy this thing. I'll try this number. I better buy one of them. I'm going to try get a few more. I got it. I always buy too soon and sell too late. I always sell too early is what Grandpa does. Okay, so buying with selling with Grandpa is fun. Why is it fun? Well, it's entertaining, for one thing. And secondly, you're going to do well because even if you get out of whack with Tesla, if you're buying long, you're going to be a winner. Yeah, I don't care. Grandma took the ride all the way down to 102 and back up to 298. finally sold her shares at 257, but she made a killing. She would have made more at 290. She would have made a lot more if she would have bought some shares at 102, just like the rest of us. I've told the story before what Grandpa did down there. I bought at 104, but I sold them, made $10, $12. Just about have a heart attack. Grandpa does. That was before I had blinking, if that matters. Okay, the 2 minute is starting to look pretty. Let's. We're heading up. Grandpa's got 4 shares now going along with an average of 254.95. So my overall average on my shares is 254.95. And the price is 254.20, 254.15. We're getting a red candle in the 2 minute. Is this thing going to reverse on Grandpa again? Who knows? Grandpa don't know. I'm looking for blinking. She's sporadic. At 11:30, that'll be something ought to happen in a quick hurry. But in the 2 minute, we absolutely still under a buy signal. Hull says we're in a sell signal, but the moving average. 5 minute, let's look at 5 minute. We're still in a sell signal in the 5 minute. We're in a sell signal in the 15. Absolutely, we're still in it. Yep, if we don't get a reversal, Grandpa's gonna wish he was more relaxed. I went in on that buy signal early on, and they did the reversal on Grandpa. They reversaled on Grandpa, and they paused all that stuff at the 269. Okay, here, wait a second. I can tell you what's dragging us. I think we're going down. 248 is blinking times 3. How far are we from 248? Let Grandpa look. Yeah, that's a relevant number. 248 is a relevant number times 3. Have I got that thing written down anywhere? Oh yeah, I do. 248 times 3 was blinking earlier. They're doing it again. That's pulling us straight down. 248 times 3 is pulling us down. They're buying 300 shares per blink, and it is pulling us down. They gave Grandpa a bull flag buy signal at the 2 minute chart, and look what they did to Grandpa. Right here. It was a dirty buy signal. I should have never went with it because this red one wasn't engulfed. I went with a weak signal, and that is a weak signal. And look what they did. Grandpa can teach you what not to do. Excuse me, Grandpa needs coffee. 5 minute sell signal. Sell signal. You know, just if crazy Grandpa buys doesn't mean you need to. That's a sell signal. We're going to 230, 225. Grandpa's going to buy more shares when we get there. Don't you worry about that. I'll buy shares all the way to the bottom. Oh, Grandpa's going to buy shares all the way to the bottom. Oh, boy. 15 minute in Tesla is a sell signal. Big time sell signal. Why? Okay, so. Let's see. 30 minute sell signal. How long has this candle been alive? 8 minutes left of that candle. Right there. It's going to be red. There's no doubt that's a sell signal. The hourly, how long we got left of that one? We got 8 minutes left of that hourly candle. And she will be red. She's got a long wick on the bottom. That's a sign we might see a reversal here not too long. I fully expect it. But this 5 minute, that's a pretty sell signal. She's a pretty sell signal. Here's where they got Grandpa going up. They caught Grandpa and they had that 269 blinking. That they're building up that 269, 270 area big time. That's a minor place of substance now. 248 times 3 is blinking. Oh man, it's blinking 20 times a minute. 300 shares per blink. 248. We're going to see 248. If that thing keeps blinking, you will see 248 and maybe worse. That's Grandpa's humble opinion. So she is coming down. 248 is in your future short. If you can short, looks good. Unless they pause it and do the reversal on us, which they can do in a heartbeat. But this is sell signal in the 15 minutes sell, 30 minutes sell, Tesla, sell, hourly, sell. Let's look at the 4 hour now. 4 hour, let's see, where are we at on that candle? Well, truthfully, we got some time left on this red candle. We're about an hour and a half into it. We're not even halfway. We don't even know for sure if this candle is going to be red or not yet in that 4 hour. So that'll clue you into where we're at there. We'll go back to the 5 minute. Are they going to give us another bull flag in the 2 minute? Probably. Here's the 2 minute chart. Looks like we'll probably get another green candle. Grandpa could buy some more shares there. Maybe not. Maybe I will. I might grab one. Maybe I'll just grab one. And 248 times 3 is still blinking solid. I'm not going to grab any until that 248 quits. Times 3. If I see some shorting up above, I would be more apt to want to do something. But I don't see it. Now this candle we got going there, we don't even know the color of it yet because it's too early. It's a 2 minute chart, by the way. This is a 2 minute chart, and it's a sell signal even in the 2 minute. It's a clean sell signal too. 248 times 3, 243.39 is blinking again. That's times 1. This thing is coming down. This thing is coming down. She is going down, down, down. No good reason to buy any of these shares. Don't do like Grandpa does. See, Grandpa will teach you what not to do. That is what you do. You sell when it's selling and you buy when it's buying. Yeah, candles, it's a tough game. It's a tough game even for Grandpa or anybody. So the 2-minute word to sell signal looks at how long we into that candle. Oh, we just switched to a buy signal in the 2-minute. Oh, what happened? 248 paused. 248 paused and we're going up. That's all they did. That is all they did. They paused the 248 and we got a green candle in the 2-minute. And now we have what time here? We're early in this candle, so we gotta wait a minute to find out what color this candle is gonna be for sure. It's green. Looks like it's gonna be green, but you don't know yet. We gotta wait 1 minute more. I'll let you know when Grandpa knows. Will it be a green candle or not? And then if it is a green candle, is it just going to be a bull flag again? That's kind of what they've been doing to us. But one of these times they'll do it. They'll take and run the bus straight up to the moon. Tesla's not even going to stop at the moon. They're going to go right on by. Okay, so we're 253.55 is the current price in Tesla. Got a green candle in the 2 minutes. All right, so you got the big red candle here, see it? And then you have the body of this one is engulfed into the previous one. And the body of the indecision candle, of course, is engulfed into both of them, actually. And it looks like we got a green candle there. Now, this crazy thing was a reversal buy signal, but it's a bull flag. Look at this candle coming here. This is how nasty it can be in the 2 minute. So they did it once, 1, 2, we're on our third one. And this candle, truthfully, we won't even know for a minute and a half yet what color it's really going to be. About a minute from now, we'll know. Let's look at the 5-minute and see our sell signal. See how it smooths out? You don't have all the ins and outs. 15-minute, nothing but red. She's a sell signal all day long. 30-minute, I'm really looking forward to it going to the bottom so I can load up. I will load the bus up. I might own a few shares at 255, but it won't matter when I buy them all at 225 because Grandpa's going to load up when it gets down there. And my average will be low and I'll have fun. Okay, what chart am I on? We're going to look at the 30-minute sell signal. Sell, sell, sell. If you can sell, sell. Go short. I'm not saying sell your Tesla shares. You're going to make money on your Tesla shares. Because we're going to see 269, 270, minor place of substance. On the buy side where you want to buy, well, a place of substance to buy is currently 230. That is a place of substance. That would be the first place if you're going to buy any, amount of shares that Grandpa knows of. 248 times 3 is still blinking. Hourly is the sell. I'm going to go back to the 2 minute and see what they did to us. Yeah, look at this little green reversal candle. Fake out USA. That's what they're good at. And just think, who makes the candles for Grandpa? The market makers make the candles. They they, they like Grandpa. Okay, wheat 248 is just going crazy. Well, I really think at this point we're going to see 248. I think we might blow through 248. I gotta quit talking. 11:03. I'll be glad when 11:30 comes so I can check out for a while, and I'll come back at around one. I think right around one. I'll come back in, and you can expect the unexpected from 11:30 to 1. Grandpa will probably be rich by the time you guys come back. Don't worry about that. Grandpa knows stuff. What's he know? uh, don't get caught in bull flags. That's what Grandpa knows. Grandpa got caught in a bull flag today. You know what a bull flag is? I'll show you a bull flag. I'm going to move my mouse. This is a bull flag. This is a little bull flag. This is a baby bull flag. This is a bigger bull flag. This is a bull flag. Okay? We got 3 bull flags. They show reversal, but it's like a spoof. They're to fake you out. And that's what makes the game hard. And you got to have patience. You get stuck in something like that, do you panic and dump your shares? No. You just don't buy that many. Like Grandpa's only got a few, and I'll get, if it goes to the bottom, I'll buy a ton of them. So we'll all be happy. But for right now, the 15-minute is a monster sell signal. 2 minutes trying to give us an indecision candle. What do we got for time in that candle? We got 1 minute left, half a minute left. This should be a green indecision candle. Very likely could. Now 248 paused again. Oh, we got action. 266 times 3 is shorting. That is, if that thing keeps shorting, we're going to go up. We are going to go up if 266 times 3 keeps shorting. 248 paused. We're going up. It looks like we're going to go up. 2, I should buy 1 share. Maybe not. Yep, 266. I'm watching 249 times 1. They paused the 248. That's, we should get some green candles here, even in the 2 minute. Unless they stop with that 266. 266 is blinking like a mad hatter. This thing should go up. Grandpa should just buy 1 share. I'm going to try, maybe I will. I might just do it. And it's crazy. I shouldn't every indication is this thing is going down. 263 is still 265 is 248 came back. Them dogs. They're overriding the 266. She's going down. 248 is blinking like crazy times 3. This thing's, they're pulling her towards 248. Aha. Oh, they almost got Grandpa doing their thing. 266 times 3 is still blinking. But 248 is blinking faster, and they're pulling her down to 248. That is what they're doing. Hi, Bobo. Do you want me to put the baby bun on for you? Should I? You want to see the baby bun on the song? Should Grandpa put baby? Grandpa's got Bobo here. He likes to watch the little baby get sang to. Where is she? Well, I'm trying to find her. Grandpa will find her. Grandpa's trying to find Bobo the baby song. He likes to see the little baby sing. There's one with the baby. Do you want that baby or that baby? Which baby? Which baby do you want? That one? You want that baby? Okay. That one? Okay. Grandpa will do that baby. So lady holds her baby and sings. And then Bobo likes that. And he watches the little baby. Should come on here pretty soon. Is that the baby, Bobo? Yep, there's the baby. Okay, he's got the baby now. He's happy. Okay, what happened? There's your baby. Yeah, Grandpa, he's got the baby on. Bobo, he likes to look at the baby, rockabye. Okay, so what do we got blinking? 248 times 3 is blinking. This thing's going to 248. 266 paused on the shorting side again, and she's going straight down. This is the 2-minute chart. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Nothing but sell. If you're short, you don't get out until you get a green candle in whatever one you're in, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and so on. 30-minute sell signal, Tesla, everything is sell. Hourly, sell. This candle here is only 10 minutes old. It'll be another 30 minutes before you know its true color. But it looks like it's going to be red. What have we got going in the 4-hour now? Yeah, that's your baby. That's the baby, yeah. Okay, 3011. Yeah, this is absolutely going to be a red candle now. Let's look at the daily just for the fun of it. Looks like we have indecision. If this is a red candle, I have at the end of the day, we'll know by 1:30 probably if this is going to be a red candle for sure. If it is, we have a sell signal in the daily. And in the weekly, we have technically a sell signal. Indecision. Not clean. 5-minute, sell all day long. It's kind of, yeah, you got the baby. And a little boy, you got a little boy and a baby. And the mama sings to these guys and they rock by. Oh, no, look at the one little boy's kissing the baby. Oh, boy, he just loves watching this. Grandpa even likes to watch the baby rockabye. Okay, so, yeah, he's... Grandma, did you see the baby? Let's see, what time is it? 11:12. 11:12 p.m. You know, I hope my blinking is up. Oh, okay. Grandpa will get it going. Baby went off. We gotta get it going. Let's do this baby one. Okay, it's gonna go. Grandpa's got it on. There she is with the baby. See the baby? Okay, I got him watching baby again. Okay, 5-minute chart. We're blinking at 2:48. This thing's going to 2:48, you guys. We are going to 2:48 in the near term here, very shortly. I would venture to say that when I come back by 1 o'clock, we'll probably be there. 2:48 times 3 is just blink. It's blinking 25 times a minute. That's 300 shares per blink. They're buying. And keep in mind that this is important. They are buying. The market makers are buying. They've been buying. They're buying like crazy. And they have tons of long positions that are activated. I mean, these things are activated. They've gone through them. They've activated them. And if they go down and activate these 248s, what they're going to do, they're going to have more long positions. They have long positions all the way from 263 all the way down to 234.58. Kid you not, these guys are acquiring long positions, far more than short positions. And so if you're long in Tesla, don't panic. Do not panic. Be patient. Just let it come to you. It will happen. Don't give your shares away. Don't do anything crazy like Grandpa does. Get caught on a bull flag, Grandpa. He sure likes, they like looking at them baby. Poor Bobo. He just loves that little baby rockabye. Okay, 248 still blinking times 3. I'm not seeing nothing shorting right now. Let me look at my secret weapon here. There's all kinds of stuff shorting. It's just nothing that's pertinent to what we need to know. 268 times 1 is shorting. Where is it? Why aren't I seeing it? There it is. I see it now. 268. Right at 268. Do I got that written down? I sure do. Yeah, they're blinking it, and they're blinking it fairly fast. They might give us a green bull flag candle possibly one day. Let's look at the 2-minute just for the fun of it once. Oh yeah, there it is right there. I was wondering, 268 is his baby song went off. Grandpa will get it. Here, there's babies. He gets mad when if a commercial comes on. He gets. Do you want? There she's rocking the baby. See, she's got the baby. It's gonna be. It's okay. Okay, so we got a couple green candles here because they're they're doing their thing at 268 shorting, but it's yep, they're doing it. They are absolutely doing it. Oh man, these guys are tricky. They are so tricky. Grandpa's tempted to buy one share. Just for the fun of it. Grandpa we have a reversal in 2 minutes. I don't know. You have to be insane to do it. Well, Grandpa's kind of crazy. We'll see if it can hit that number. If not, we'll just leave it sit there at 252. And if it hits it, it hits it. If it don't, Grandpa will be happy either way. 248 times 3 is still blinking. All indications are we're going to 248 in reality. That is where we're headed. Should get a bounce there. Oh, I gotta move my deal here. Grandpa's so funny. Okay, so we are gonna do this. Oh, don't worry, Grandpa's doing stuff. Okay, so there. There's our number right there, 248. That's where we're headed. Grandpa's going to buy a share there. I'll probably buy more than one there, but we just put one there for that way we can look at this pretty green line. See that? That's gonna. I hope we get it. Looks like we're going to. Okay, did they pause that? Oh, they're still shorting at 268 times 1, and they're doing it fast. But on the other hand, they're buying at 248 times 3. Yep. Grandpa will put it on. Just give Grandpa a minute, sweetie. Bobo. Hey, we got a green reversal candle in the 5 minute. Grandpa, put it on. Where's her other baby that she does? We need more babies in these pictures. There it is. There's your one that you like right there. Okay, this is the one with the baby. That's your baby one. Grandpa's got it on now. Go watch it. Okay, now he's happy. He's got one that's his favorite baby one that he likes to watch. And we got the 4 grandkids stayed overnight with us last night. My daughter-in-law broke her foot. She's walking around in crutches, and my son took her out for breakfast this morning. It's her birthday. She's 30 years old today. Hard to believe she's 30 already. She sure is good at making grandbabies, I'll say that. Uh, I call her gift from God girl because she is truly a gift from God. Okay, so what do we got going in the candles? We have, what am I on, a 5 minute? How far into this candle are we? We're 2 minutes in. Another minute and a half, if that's a green candle, we have a buy signal. Will it be a bull flag? Probably.
Up.
No, can't go up right now, Bobo. Go watch the baby. Watch the baby. Grandpa will rockabye you in a little bit, okay? You need to rockabye? You do? Oh, okay. Well, wait a second. Then Grandpa will put this stuff down and you can climb up and rockabye. Okay, Bobo's gonna rockabye with Grandpa. Okay, get up here then. Come on. I'll help you. Scoot up here. Oh, oh, he's getting to be such a big boy.
Yeah.
Is that your baby you like? Yeah. That is your baby. Okay.
Yeah. Baby.
That is the baby. Okay, so right now Grandpa and Bobo are rockabye and looking at babies while we're watching the candles. That's what we're doing. Oh, he's loving up Grandpa. Grandpa gets all the loving. That's just the way it is. Yeah. Are you getting your feet warmed up under Grandpa's pillow? Huh?
Yeah. Baby.
Yeah, that's your baby. Yeah. Don't you worry about that.
Yeah.
We're getting a green candle in the 5 minute. Mama's rockabyeing the baby. That's what we do at Grandpa's house all day. We sit around and rockabye. And we sing songs all day and look at the blinking. That's what we do. We just look at the blinking. Bobo is rockabyeing with Grandpa.
Hi.
You want to say hi? You want to say hi to Mama?
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
You saying hi to you? Love Mama?
Hi.
Love Mama? And Daddy? Say hi to Daddy. No, just say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi,
Oh, he's saying
hi,
hi.
Mama.
Here, Shoni, I'm trying to run that song on there for him. He wanted to rockabye some, so I had to rockabye him. We're rockabying him. Okay, we're getting a couple of green candles here in the 5 minute chart. Don't worry, Grandpa's watching the blinking. 248 times 3 is still blinking. And, okay, Grandma, come and play with Bobo a little bit. Okay, Grandma's going to play with Bobo a little bit. And Grandpa's going to pay more attention here. Not that it matters. Oh, I got it on. I got it on. Go look. See, there's the big... hey, Grandma. Can you play with Bobo a little bit? Okay. Let's see here. We got 4 minutes left, and Grandpa's going to take a break. We have a reversal signal in the 5 minute chart. I'm sure we have one in the 2 minute also. Yep, we are going up in the 2 minute, no doubt about it. And in a couple of minutes, Grandpa's going to take a break. I'll come back at 1 o'clock, and we'll see what transpires here. And in the meantime, Grandpa hopes he doesn't make too much money. I don't want to look like I'm making too much money. I don't think you have to worry about that. In the 15 minute chart, in Tesla, we still have a cell signal. The larger the time frame, the stronger the signals. 30 minutes still a cell signal. And the hourly is... we won't know for 15 minutes if this is going to be a red candle even for sure. So, or wait, what chart was I on? I thought it was on the hourly. Yeah, the hourly is a cell signal. The daily, I disregard what I said about that daily chart. So let's look at the 2 minute. She's heading up, 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 up. Oh boy, Tesla's gonna go to the moon. No, it's not. 248 times 3 is still shorting. I think we're probably gonna get a bull flag here and head right for 248 sometime in our near future. On the shorting side, Grandpa isn't seeing even the 266 do it anymore. Yep, it is. 266 times 3. That's why they're doing it times 3. That's why we're going up, up, and away. Grandpa's making notes. Don't you worry. Grandpa's making notes. Okay, so it's 11:30 here, real quick. All good things are from the Lord. God bless you. And hopefully next week I'll have my other monitor up so I don't have my OBS screen coming up when I'm going in and out. But until then, we'll just live with what we got. I hope you had as much fun as Grandpa. I hate to leave. 266 times 3 is blinking about 30, 40 times a minute. That's why we're getting green. On the other hand, they're still blinking 3 at 248. But 266 is blinking faster. Much faster currently. So that explains the green candles. 5 minute is a buy signal now in Tesla. It's got a buy signal currently. It's a rough time of day to trade, you guys. She's a scary time of day. Any time is scary. Here we have, in the 15 minute, this red candle is engulfed into the previous one. We got a green candle there. This candle, we don't even know for sure if it's going to be green yet, I don't think. Well, yeah, we do. This is a green candle. So we have a reversal in the 15 minute going up. So good luck with that. And Grandpa's going to say, all good things are from the Lord. See you at 1.